Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop on your LG Android TV. So let's get started. So first of all, you just need to turn on your TV, and then on your laptop go to the Windows button, then go to the settings. As you can see, I have so many options, so you just need to click on the display, then scroll down. You can see here multiple display, you need to click on it, then scroll down, connect to wireless display. So you just need to only click on here to connect to display. As you can see, my laptop already found my LG TV, so you need to click on it. So you can see here as you can see my laptop already connect with my LG TV. So like this you can connect your laptop on your Android TV. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.